is Tulsa. Look at the roads. I'm on my way to work. This is evening 6 p.m. Very slick and slippery on the roads. My work is 10 minutes away from my apartment. I always like to start early to make up time in case I'm getting held up here and there. This is the south part of Tulsa. We haven't seen the sun in 3 to 4 days now. My goodness, it's cold, extremely cold. Oh, this is the South Tulsa, South Lewis Avenue, between 71st and 81st Street. I'm just trying to show you guys how it's like. Rain or shine, I have to go to work. Gray skies and so gloomy and depressing. This is the 71st Street. I just crossed South Lewis Avenue. The roads are still slick, though the roads have been salted. It's still, you still have to be careful driving on these kind of roads in winter. The Arctic blast has caused all these icy roads, which is known as black ice. You know, the ice gets hardened on the roads, so it becomes difficult to drive. Trying to show you all how I drive to work, you know. We all have to drive safely. Okay, this is 71st Street, Harvard Avenue. Thank God the traffic is not as bad. People are moving out less unless it's work related. This is the 71st Street. I just crossed from South Lewis, going towards Yale Avenue. Look at all the icy slopes. Excuse me. Everybody's driving carefully and slowly. Thank God. Roads are safe to drive today on this patch, on this stretch. The salted roads are good. Thank you all. I just reached South Yale Avenue on Tulsa. This is South Tulsa, 71st Street. Thank you.